Welcome to Streamlining Your Operations and Leveraging Fulfillment by Amazon for enhanced efficiency and customer satisfaction. The podcast dedicated to helping Amazon sellers optimize their operations and utilize Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, to improve efficiency and customer satisfaction. In this episode, we'll explore strategies and best practices for streamlining your operations and maximizing the benefits of FBA to delight your customers and grow your business. Understanding Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. Let's begin by understanding the fundamentals of Fulfillment by Amazon. Overview of FBA. Provide an overview of how FBA works and the benefits it offers, such as access to Amazon's vast fulfillment network, fast shipping, and customer service support. Key features and services. Discuss the key features and services provided by FBA, including storage, picking, packing, shipping, and customer returns handling. Optimizing inventory management. Explore strategies for optimizing inventory management with FBA, inventory forecasting. Discuss the importance of accurate inventory forecasting to prevent stockouts and excess inventory, and how FBA's inventory management tools can help streamline this process. Just-in-time inventory. Highlight the benefits of utilizing FBA's just-in-time inventory model to minimize storage costs and improve cash flow. Improving order fulfillment processes. Learn how to enhance order fulfillment processes with FBA order processing efficiency. Discuss how FBA's automated order processing and fulfillment capabilities can help streamline operations and reduce order processing times. Order accuracy and packaging. Explore best practices for ensuring order accuracy and packaging quality to enhance customer satisfaction and reduce returns. Leveraging Prime and enhanced shipping options. Examine the benefits of leveraging Amazon Prime and enhanced shipping options through FBA, Prime eligibility. Discuss how FBA enables sellers to offer Prime-eligible products, providing customers with fast and free shipping options that can lead to increased sales and buy box eligibility. International shipping. Explore how FBA's international fulfillment capabilities can help sellers expand their reach and offer global shipping options to customers. Monitoring performance and customer feedback. Highlight the importance of monitoring performance metrics and customer feedback with FBA. Performance metrics. Discuss the key performance metrics provided by FBA, such as order defect rate, late shipment rate, and inventory performance index, and how to use them to track and improve operational efficiency. Customer feedback management. Emphasize the significance of managing customer feedback and reviews to maintain a positive seller reputation and drive future sales. As we conclude this episode of Streamlining Your Operations and Leveraging Fulfillment by Amazon for enhanced efficiency and customer satisfaction, remember that FBA offers valuable tools and services to help streamline your operations, improve efficiency, and enhance customer satisfaction. By optimizing inventory management, order fulfillment processes, and shipping options, and closely monitoring performance metrics and customer feedback, you can leverage FBA to grow your business and deliver exceptional experiences to your customers. Thank you for tuning in, and may you apply these strategies to streamline your operations and achieve success on Amazon's platform. For more detailed guidance, resources, and personalized support to launch and grow your Amazon business, don't hesitate to visit us, and we can help you find your first product and help launch it on Amazon. You can also simply Google AMZ Product Launcher to find us. We're here to help you navigate every step of your Amazon selling journey. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your successful Amazon journey starts here at AMZ Product Launcher.